back up. Alright. What's up, everybody? Dead Wolf back with another one. This time bringing you... Which one is this one? Severe Storms. Okay. I thought it was, but I couldn't remember which one it was. Anyway, not the point. I love Upchurch. I had to do another fucking one, obviously. I'm going to do the rest of this fucking album. Feel better. Anyway, we're going to get into it. I can't wait to hear this song. I haven't heard this song yet, so let's go.
I can't shake this feeling. I feel there's no ceiling. I've been out here floating along.
Oh, that's this one.
Decided to touch base or to come back home. I can't shake this feeling. I feel there's no ceiling. Let the heavy rain flood my home. I've been known to fall asleep inside of this store. They know my name at every mall. See me pumping 93. Say what's up, church, when I ride by and that blacked out 4GT. They write me stuff in my PO. Tell me about their broken homes. Tell me about their friend that died and how they came to Hollywood. They give me hope when I got none and make me run when I'm about done. Pick me up when it's time to go and then I grab the pen like loaded guns. Yeah, drop me in the trenches with...
Man, I gotta say this. I really like the fact that he has stayed so grounded to his fucking people, and he stayed so true to Creek Squad. He's become this. He's always been that person. Like, even if you knew him when he was younger, you knew he was that person. You knew he was destined for greatness. Church has always been destined for greatness. You know, it took a while for him to, get his start. But once he started, man, it just fucking snowballed. I mean, he can't be fucking stopped. He was always destined for greatness, and he always will be. Church is one of those people that you just can't fucking stop. All right. So, what have we learned about this? The fact that he's willing to talk to people about their fucking problems. He's willing to listen to people. He's a good fucking person, and if you don't fucking think so, you obviously have not paid attention at all. People are like, oh, he's a bully. No, not necessarily. He just doesn't take shit. He's not afraid to call people out when they're being fucking stupid, when they're causing fucking problems. He's not afraid to be that fucking person. And if you think he is, you have not paid attention at all, yet again. So, let's get back into this. I had to bring this back a little bit, because this intro, man.
I can't shake this feeling. I feel there's no ceiling. I've been out here floating alone. No decided to touch base or to come back home. I can't shake this feeling. I feel there's no ceiling. Let the heavy rain flood my home. I've been known to fall asleep inside of this store. They know my name at every mall. See me pumping 93. Say what's up, church, when I ride by and that blacked out 4GT. They write me stuff in my PO. Tell me about their broken homes. Tell me about their friend that died and how they came to Hollywood. They give me hope when I got none and make me run when I'm about done. Pick me up when it's time to go and then I grab the pen like loaded guns. Yeah, drop me in the trenches with no clothes or utensils, and I'll still come out looking like the red carpet really makes me. If I don't die for the music, then my life is contradicting. That's why when you click my Insta, I'm in the river, not sinking with this life.
That's an Eminem shit right there. In a positive way.
Shake this feeling. I feel there's no ceiling. I've been out here floating alone. No decided to touch base or to come back home. I can't shake this feeling. I feel there's no ceiling. Let the heavy rain flood my home. I've been known to fall asleep inside this door. My word is all I got, so when I die, you'll still have them. I care so much, I barely even promote my own album. For the people I write for, there's too much shit I can say. I'm 20 out deep and turned 30 the other day. The fact that I'm still bumping in people's ears after a decade. can't shake this feeling. I feel there's no ceiling. I've been out here floating alone. No desire to touch base or to come back home. I can't shake this feeling. I feel there's no ceiling. Let the heavy rain pour my home. I've been falling asleep inside somebody's door.
Man, what a fucking banger, man. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that bell notification so you get notified the next time we drop another video. And if you're not following Church, you really are missing the fuck out. He's such an incredible artist. He's such a down-to-earth fucking dude, man. I fucking love Upchurch. Upchurch has helped me through a lot of shit. And I really feel like this song hits home with me because in 2016, I lost my daughter. She was stillborn. And that was a really traumatic time for me. I started a new job 2 days after we lost her. And then I fucking, the day, actually, well, 4 days after, we had her the next day. That following morning, I went down the street to the fucking grocery store, put in my fucking application, went back to the fucking hospital. The next day, I went interviewed, and they agreed to hire me. And then that fourth day, the day that we had to release her, and I started work that day. I took my wife home, and then I came back and went to fucking work. Actually, no, I left the hospital and went straight to work while my sister-in-law drove my wife home. That was hard, knowing that I just lost my fucking kid. And that was something that was really hard for me to do, as far as fucking keep working and provide for my kid that I already had, and deal with all these emotions. And it was a surreal experience, and I owe a lot to Church for that. He helped me through that transition. When I heard Hillbilly, and then I heard a lot of those songs, man, it just fucking, it really made me feel accepted. So, shout out to Church, man, for being such a dude, man, being a fucking goat. Like I said, I really hope you like this fucking song. I know that you fucking will. Church is such a genuine person. It shows through in his fucking music. He just did another song with his fucking mom. I mean, come on. The man who does music with his fucking mom, and it sounds really fucking good, and he I don't know. There's nothing else to fucking say about it. It's just a great fucking song. If you don't fucking like this song, there's something wrong with your head. So, I'll catch you guys later. I'm going to get up out of here. I'm going to do another fucking reaction right after this one, and I'll catch you guys in a minute. Peace out.